Hi guys, it's Choco here. This might not be what you're expecting to see on a food channel. um, but this is my allotment. And this is our little midget puppy. Yeah, so basically, I've been doing loads of work in the house, which is why there's haven't been any cooking videos for a little while. I can now plaster. Here's Midget. What are you doing? Anyway, so little Midget doggy has been finding roots up to this very dangerous, well, it's probably not dangerous, but only she can get up here, which probably does make it dangerous. So this used to be an allotment, and over the period of time, like every year, this is what happens. And just because life gets in the way, and also when it's really, really hot, I hate the hot weather. So I tend to stay indoors, which isn't great because everything grows. So what I was thinking is as well as like showing you how how nice food is cheap and quick, I would also show you how to transform a really neglected, this is beyond neglected, this is like derelict area of a garden, just to any size, any shape, to grow your own stuff. I used to have an allotment in a proper park area, but that when the kids came, that was just not practical anymore. So anyway, so what I've kind of decided to do is that I'm going to video my progress of clearing this area and how I'm going to kind of what's the word, reuse stuff, like recycle stuff. What's it? Refunction. I can't think of the word. I'm going to reuse stuff for a different purpose. I can't think what the word is. I've got pallets and things like that because the beds that are behind here, underneath all the green stuff, they'll be really rotten right now. And little Midget doggy is going to help me, I think. Yeah, so that's it really. I'm kind of going to do not a before and after, but I'm going to do this is definitely before, but we're also going to do during as well. So I think the main thing that I need to focus on is clearing a pathway, because like I say, there's greenhouse, derelict shed, there's probably somebody living in there, little family of pixies or something. Anyway, so there's lots of work to do, and obviously I still have work to do in the house and normal work, so this is going to take a really, really, really long time. So I don't know how long Game of Thrones went on for, but this is like Game of Thorns. This is going to take longer than that ran for. I don't watch it, but I think the ending was not supposed to be very good. Hopefully this will have a good ending. So that's it, folks. I might upload a little video of Puppy because she's very, very cute. River, and she's really destructive. I don't know if you can see her. Find her. Where's she gone? She's only just bigger than a guinea pig. River, come here. Come here. Midget, come on. River, this way. Yay! Clever girl. Ah, beautiful still. Look at that face. She's so cute. Good girl. She's so cute, but you can see how small she is. And like I say, she has found roots through here, and particularly likes that branch over there. So obviously we don't really want her exploring any further without us being able to get her out of trouble, because there's loads of brambles and stuff up here, and these big plants one of the many big plants at the back there, that's teasel. And if anybody tells you to grow teasel to help the birds out, just say no. The birds can fend for themselves, because nobody tells you that this stuff grows like crazy, has massive great big thorns on, and is just basically a really not very nice plant if you're not a bird. Yeah, and it's just like, it's just everywhere. It's just everywhere. Look, it's even growing up through my rubbish. Anyway, that stuff is all going to have to come out. So birds, sorry, you can go and eat somewhere else, because this restaurant is closing. So anyway, that's it for now. Don't know where the midget's gone, and I'll post this and you can go, oh my god, did she actually live like that? Yeah, it's really bad, and I don't know actually whether to show you. To post this, somebody's garden can be that bad. I'm like the bad neighbour. But hopefully we'll rectify that. I really like saying their back garden is disgusting, we get loads of weeds from there. But these weeds, initially, this was really, really nice when we first moved in, and kids came, and everybody else's weeds started growing into our garden. They've all caught up with their gardens now, and it's kind of like a reverse story. So I'm going to have to help my neighbours out and kill everything in here. So that's it. I'll put this up, and I'll ignore all the comments of shame. And there we go. Yeah, it goes like, it's not a very big area, but see that fence? That's like the end. There's a fence there. It's a weird like L shape, I guess. Yeah, God knows what's in the greenhouse. And I'm taking a big stick when I go when I open that shed, because who knows what's in there. Who knows. Big stick, big pokey stick. I might have to send big dog in first. He'll probably run away. Anyway, right, see you later. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.